What is up, everyone? We are so pumped to do Fall Fiesta this year. I cannot believe we're going to pull it off again. 6th annual Fall Fiesta. This year it's going to be earlier. It's going to take place October 15th at the McDevitt Taco Supply. They're in Boulder in the corner of Baseline and Foothills. It's going to be a little bit different this year because the world is weird and that's how we have to do it. It's not going to be like the normal Fall Fiestas. So it's going to be a drive-through meal pickup event. There's going to be two options for your meal pickups. You're going to be able to walk up and get your meal and go, or you're going to be able to drive through. So we are going to have further instructions on how this is all going to work out and how you coordinate your meal pickup. If you RSVP now, don't worry. We're actually going to send you another link here in the future, and you're going to be able to select your meal pickup options. Everything's going to be served as far as dinner for two is concerned. So if you're two people, you're going to order one meal kit to go. If you're four people, you're going to order two meal kits to go. The meals are going to include tacos, chips and salsa, dessert, and then margaritas to go or sangria to go. And yeah, that's what we got this year. I'm super excited to do it. I can't wait to see everyone. Please make sure you RSVP. We are going to have limited capacity because we have a tremendous amount of people that do want to come to this event. So we're going to shut it off at 400 people. And we look forward to having you. Oh, yeah, October 15th, meal pickup window is going to be from 5 to 8 p.m. See you soon.